Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for eastern Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois until 8 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near Winslow to near Pearl City, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Freeport, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, German Valley, Rock City, Rydot, Buena Vista, Rock Grove, Oneco, Orangeville, Red Oak, Avoki, Scioto Mills, Wenatchee, Dakota Dorning Airport, Alberta's Airport, Stephenson County Fairgrounds, and Lake Somerset. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.